gonna be fun. Cool transition. Not as cool as I thought. Hey, what's up, internet? It's your girl Eileen, and today we're gonna be doing something very interesting. It is day 132 quarantine right now, and I'm in that what should I do with my hair kind of phase. So I picked this up from CVS, and I decided to go ahead and dye my hair red because why not? I think before I had like restrictions and office stuff that really kind of controlled how you look. No piercings, no unnatural hair colors, no whatever. And you know, I'm at that point in my life where I have more control of mine. We are going to head and use this opportunity and go for crazy color like red. Get ready! I have taken the liberty and read these instructions beforehand for you. Yeah, we're going to try to figure out how to dye my hair together. So the important things you should know about this hair dye according to the instructions. There's a warning here that says Splat color will stain skin, clothes, and any surface it comes in contact with. Remember, this bottle actually goes with this bleach powder. So I will not be using these two, and instead will only be using this, the actual color. I decided to forego this bleaching agent because my hair is already pretty light from previous balayages I did, and I would not like to further damage my hair. My hair has gotten pretty long in quarantine. Yeah, so the vision is to get all these blonde spots red. It's gonna be exciting. Oh, looks nice on camera. Let's go ahead and get ready. See you in the restroom.
So before we head to the restroom, let's gather all the other stuff we'll be needing. So other than this Splat kit, I have this towel I don't mind getting stains on, an old t-shirt that I've officially dubbed the hair dyeing shirt, and gloves. Gloves also come with the kit, but these fit me more comfortably. So inside the actual kit comes the oxide mixing container, the actual color, mine is called Crimson Obsession, the lightning bleach powder, and these manuals you're supposed to read, but instead we looked at this YouTube video. Anyway, let's get started. So here I have my t-shirt and gloves on. I kind of just went full throttle and shook the bottle of color, squeezed it out into my hand, and rubbed it into my hair. Is this the correct way? Probably not, but I do suggest that you tie your hair into small sections for better control and color distribution. And also, just to avoid looking like the scary girl coming off TV like The Ring. I think the directions say the longer you leave the color on, the more vibrant it will be, but I definitely lacked the patience, so I just left it on for like 30 minutes. After you wait your 30 minutes to an hour, rinse your hair until it runs clear. You should also avoid moving your hair too much because even the rinsed water gets everywhere. Like everywhere. And then after you rinse out your hair and dry it, you should be done. So this is my before. This is blonde/brown balayage Eileen with her very long black roots. Very nice. And now the after Eileen, the red balayage Eileen with very long black roots. I dig it. Not too shabby for my first try. I don't care. I like it. Peace out, booze.
So here we go. This is how it looks like after. There are some spots that I admit I wish I went through more thoroughly. But yeah, overall I'm quite happy with it. This is the first time I've dyed my hair a bold color. So, you know, I could go over it again and learn from what I did the first time. But overall, I am happy with the results. It's giving me some Rufio from Hook vibes, and I kind of love it. It's cool, it's edgy. It's fun. So that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do the whole YouTuber thing. Woo-hoo. For fun. I don't really care anymore. This is for me. But yeah. Cause I'm gonna figure out what I can wear with this hair color now and how I can do my hair. See you later. Okay, bye.